At this famous historic AAF test center, where many secret air tests have been made, the components of the Skystreak are unloaded for reassembly for the first trial in actual flight. The Muroc Dry Lake location was chosen because of its long, safe runways. Desert heat offered another advantage, too. Sound travels faster in hot air, so the Skystreak could fly faster on the first tests without reaching the speed of sound. The first time this ever had to be considered in level flight. When the Skystreak has been reassembled and thoroughly inspected, a series of final engine runs are made before the first trial.